Race number 4. Away they go. Dr. Choice, Cool Reception, make no mistake, Godation. And on the outside is Angie Red. Cool Reception, Dr. Choice from the outside. Godation is racing third by some 3 lengths. Alongside is Angie Red, make no mistake, Danori inside. And passing the half-mile post, Cool Reception, followed now by Golation. Dr. Choice, Angie Red alongside, and make no mistake. And rounding the far turn, Cool Reception, Golation, Danori inside, Angie Red on the further outside. And Dr. Choice, it's now Golation by half a length, followed by Angie Red, Cool Reception. Dr. Choice, make no mistake, as they race the final corner. Golation by about 2 lengths. Angie Red running in second. And moving up by the Cool Reception, Dr. Choice, make no mistake. And nearing the finish line, Golation by about 5 lengths. And finally, the outstanding favorite, number 2, Golation, second. Make no mistake, Dr. Choice, Angie Red, and Cool Reception.